Hello students, this is the question asked in JEE Advanced 2018. Let's solve this question. Treatment of benzene with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 copper chloride followed by the reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate gives a compound X as the major product. Compound X, upon reaction with bromine and sodium carbonate, followed by heating at 473 kelvins with moist KOH, furnishes Y as the major product. Reaction of X with hydrogen palladium carbon, followed by H3PO4 treatment, gives Z as the major product. So, based upon this paragraph, they are giving first question. The compound Y is. Let us start solving this. So, first point is benzene upon reacting with carbon monoxide and HCl presence is the first thing, and in presence of AlCl3 and copper chloride. So you are aware of this reaction. It is Gattermann-Koch aldehyde synthesis where benzoaldehyde will be preparing from this. This we have discussed in detail with mechanism. So you'll be getting benzoaldehyde as the product. After this, they are taking acetic anhydride followed by in presence of sodium acetate. We know aromatic aldehydes whenever reacting with acetic anhydride in presence of corresponding sodium salt of salts. So it will form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acids. We know this reaction as Perkin's reaction. So you'll be getting CH, double bond CH, COOH. This is cinnamic acid. So this is the X. After this, they are saying this X upon reacting with bromine in presence of sodium carbonate. So whenever double bond compounds, when they reacts with bromine in presence of sodium carbonate, we know that this bromine upon reacting with double bond compounds, it will form cyclic bromonium ion, which we discussed also in alkanes lesson. So it will form a cyclic bromonium ion. I mean here benzene, benzene and then cyclic bromonium ion Br plus like this, and then comes C double bond O. OH plus, it will be because of base Na2CO3 strong base only, so carboxylic acid will react, so corresponding salt will generate. This is the compound you will get. And then this is 3-membered ring. You guys know the bromine will be pulling this and the bond will move like this. This O minus and the giving electrons to this carbon, immediately this will shift. 1 second, this will shift to negative charge here and it will attack here and the bond it will shift. So finally you will be getting the compound like this. CH double bond CH Br and followed by KOH, moist KOH in presence of 473 kelvins, which is a very high temperature. You guys know in elimination reactions we will be using high temperature, and that too this This halogen group is directly attached to double bond carbon. Because of that partial double bond character, we must require high activation energy, due to which we'll be using 473 kelvins. So after this, what will happen is this C double bond, this double bond will stay like this, and then this OH minus can capture this H plus ion, and the negative charge when it attacks here, this bond will go out and K plus will be accepted this. So finally you will be getting a compound C triple bond H. This is the answer. Here CO2 gas will go out, and the answer is C. Thank you.